IoT-equipped assets provide capabilities to servitise a product through a stack of cutting-edge technologies. A servitised solution can aid logistics through enhanced visibility of inventory management, asset tracking for business logic such as geofencing. Device management features enable control over the entire asset fleet. Integration with enterprise systems such as CRM for a 360-degree view of business operations. Security applied throughout the entire IoT stack. Service management through integrated SLAs. Real-time asset monitoring for visibility of usage and conditions to customers and providers. Data governance for complete data access management. Predictive maintenance applied to assets thanks to monitored data. Customer engagement throughout the product lifecycle. Appealing and intelligent marketing communications with data insights for promotion and cross-sell.